Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
We're committed to a clear reform agenda and a disciplined fiscal strategy built on three principles: stabilize debt, invest in infrastructure, and spend better.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi umnotho wezwe usuqala ukukhombisa izinkomba zokusimama. Usho lokhu ngesikhathi ethula isabelo mali eKapa. Salibuyiswe kuleli iqulu lesibili labalisa abayishumi nomuvo ababevaleleke empini phakathi kweRussia neUkraine nokukholakala ukuthi baluthwa ngesithembiso sokuqeqeshelwa umsebenzi.
We also managed to arrest a 32-year-old suspect for dealing in drugs. We managed to find suspected mandrax and cocaine.
Sekuboshwe umsolo yedwa njengoba uphiko lama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal lugasela ey'ndaweni ezahlukene okholakala ukuthi ziyizidleke zokukhiqizwa nokushushumbiswa kweyidakamizwa namhlanje. Asikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele indaba zakusihlwa. Igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakomwali ihlabangane limhlophe qwa. Ake sibone ukuthi namhlanje kusihlwa siza naziphi. Salibuyiswe kuleli iqoqo lesibili labalisa abayishumi nomuvo abebevaleleke empini ephakathi kweRussia neUkraine nokukholakala ukuthi baluthwa ngesithembiso sokuqeqeshelwa umsebenzi. Ngesonto ledlule kwabuya abane. Intatheli ye-SABC uAyanda Mhlongo ubesesikhumulweni seyindiza iKing Shaka eThekwini.
Asibonge sibonge nesikhathi sakho mnumzane Mahlase okhulumele ANC la sifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal mnumzane uFanile Sibisi ozobe esixoxela ngokuphawula kweqembu le-African National Congress esaziyo ukuthi ke nalo la sifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal libe neqhaza elikhulu ekutheni labalisa abebevaleleke le ezweni laseRussia abayengwa behambile bazibona ukuthi bothola ukuqeqeshwa okukhethekile ukuba ama-bodyguard kodwa mabefika ezweni laseRussia babe sebefakwa empini. Mahlase sibonga kakhulu nje isikhathi sakho.
Asibonga nje manje u-African National Congress uyafisa ukubonga kakhulu umongameli wezwe ngegxatha lithathile ukuthi abe nendlela yokuxoxisana enesithunzi lesizotha nomongameli waseRussia uPutin ukuthi kuwazi ukukhuleka laba abebeyengelwe beholelwe ophathe ukuthi bayothola amathuba emisebenzi engcono kanti bayiswa empini.
Mhlambe ke okunye singakubuza lana ukuthi kuzokwenzakalana kuyeni phambili bekhona ukukhuluma ukuthi kunophenyo okumele liqhubeke nani njengeqembu le-ANC nishilo ukuthi ke niyafuna ukuthi isiphathimandla amaphoyisa athole labo kuyibona abayenga lamadoda aze afinyelele eRussia.
Asiqale sibonge imindeni esondele eduze ne-ANC icela ukuthi i-ANC ingenelele kulolu daba njengoba sesikwazi ukuthi sifike kuvuthondaba layo. Iqiniso lithi ke i-ANC ithi akuphenywe kungashiwa lutho uqinisekisa ukuthi labo okuyibona debe qinisekisa ukuthi abantwana bayathathwa bayiswe ezweni lokuhamba bayaphenya ukuthi bakwenze kanjani bekwenzelani futhi lokho bese beyashushiswa ngendlela efanelekile ngoba bayizephula umthetho ngoba bakwenzile akuhambisani nomthetho. Sinethemba ke lokuthi ingalo yomthetho izothatha indima yayo. Siyafisa ukuqinisekisa kuze lonke ukuthi ngempela sibabonile sebefikile bakhona bayaphila nakuba abanye behamba ubona ukuthi kukhona ukuthintathindeka nalapha ya kodwa sibonga ukuthi inyama isahlangene nomphefumulo.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi umnotho wezwe usuqala ukukhombisa izinkomba zokusimama. Usho lokhu ngesikhathi ethula isabelo mali eKapa.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana umemezele ukuthi ngemuva kweminyaka eyi-16 iNingizimu Afrika isizovunyelwa ukuthatha izikweletu ezengeziwe. Uthi igciwane le-COVID-19 kanye nezinye izingqinamba zomhlaba njengempi ephakathi kweRussia neUkraine kulimaze kakhulu umnotho womhlaba. Ube esechaza ngezinhlelo zikahulumeni zalonyaka.
Clear reform agenda and a disciplined fiscal strategy built on three principles: stabilize debt, invest in infrastructure, and spend better. Today, that commitment has delivered tangible results.
uGodongwana uthi kulindeleke ukuthi ukukhula komnotho womhlaba kube ngu-3.3 wamaphesenti kulonyaka uma kuqhathaniswa nonyaka owedlule.
The economy is projected to grow by 3.3% in 2026, broadly in line with last year's outcome. Advanced economies are expected to grow moderately, while emerging markets will continue to anchor global momentum.
Lo kunezindaba eziqhilekisa izihlathi kulabo abathola izibonelelo zikahulumeni.
Age grant, disability grant, and care dependence grants rise by 80 rand in April 2026 to 2,400. Child support grant and grant in aid grant increased by 20 rand. The social relief of the state continues in the current form over this year.
Qhobe wathi isasa izothuthukisa izinhlelo zokuginqwa kwezithupha ukuze kulwiswane nenkohlakalo kanye nokuhola kwabantu abangafanele ukuthola isibonelelo sikahulumeni.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe uGodongwana umemezele ukwenyuka kwentela yogwayi nophuzo oludakayo kanye nentela yopetroli kanjalo neyodizili.
uGodongwana uqale ngendaba ezincumisayo xa kuthethwa ngerhafu walungiselela amakhaya.
We are proposing additional tax measures to ease financial burden on households and businesses by adjusting personal income tax brackets and rebates fully in line with inflation.
Uvakalise ukuxhalaba malunga norhwebo olungekho mthethweni esithi oku kuchaphazela uqoqosho kubeke emngciphekweni nabathengi.
As a result, a tax of 20 pack of cigarettes rises from 22 rand 81 to 23.58. Pipe tobacco rises by 28 cents per 25 grams and cigarettes tobacco by 87 cents per 50 grams.
Uyenyusile irhafu yomdiliya omfaxangiweyo, irhanqa nomabile banda.
A 340 milliliter can of beer or cider increases by 8 cents. A 750 milliliter bottle of wine goes by 15 cents. A 750 million bottle of spirits will increase by 320.
Kwaphakamise ukwenyuswa kwerhafu yamafutha. Irhafu yepetrol nediesel iza kwenyuka nge-9 cents ne-8 cents ngokulandelelana. Ngelixa irhafu yengxowa-mali yengozi zendlela iza kwenyuka nge-7 cents. Dingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eParlamente eKapa.
Aphawulile-ke amaqembu ezombusazwe amayelana nesabelo-mali esethulwe ungqongqoshe wezemali eKapa.
Jabule kakhulu sizizwa senelisekile ngokubekwe ungqongqoshe wezeyimali mayelana nebudget wethula kweyimali kulonyaka.
We've seen today in the budget speech some big DA policy wins. They include the fact that we're putting South Africans front and center. We're not suffering from increases in personal income tax or value-added tax. And not only that, there's some bracket relief, meaning if you earn an amount and you get an increase from your employer, you won't lose that by moving into a higher tax bracket and paying more tax on your income. So that's really good.
Asikuveza ukuthi le budget bekwe abantu abathile ngoba vele lo hulumeni usebenzela abantu abathile awusebenzeli sonke. So abantu abajabule abantu avele ababenefita kulo hulumeni.
We are worried that there is no plan about how the economy is going to be increased in the country, but equally the president spoke about 10,000 labor inspectors. He never allocated any money for it.
Siyayemukela i-budget speech eyethulwe uMinister namuhla. Thina njengeNkatha Freedom Party siyakholelwa ukuthi ukwazile uMinister ukuhlangabezana nama-expectations ebesinawo.
Siyavuya namhlanje ukuva ba irhafu ayizonyuswa. Ibalulekile lonto ngoba abantu bayasokola into ebalulekileyo kudala thina singu-Action SA sithi uSARS makafumane imali eyoneleyo kuze bakwazi uyoyifumana le mali kwabantu bafanele berhafile.
Uyedwa umsolwa okhalelwe amasongo kaSigonyela njengoba ama-Hawks esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal egasela ey'ndaweni ezahlukene eyishushumbisa idakamizwa khona esifundazweni.
Project has started back in 2023 where the Hawks together with various law enforcement agencies have been doing investigation up until early hours of today.
Okhulumela ama-Hawks uthi ukhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela umsolo neminyaka engama-32 ubudala kanti kushaqwe nedakamizwa okubalwa kuzo i-Menrex kanye ne-cocaine yize singadalulwanga isamba seyidakamizwa.
We managed to come and conduct a takedown operation with those stakeholders and we also managed to arrest a 32-year-old suspect for dealing in drugs. We managed to find suspected Menrex and cocaine, of which I cannot confirm the amount and the quantity at this stage. As you see, the scene is still active.
Ngokusho kwama-Hawks uMhlanga, Pinetown kanye neChatsworth ngezinye zeindawo sekwenziwe kuzo uphenyo mayelana nokushushumbiswa kwazo idakamizwa.
We've been doing our investigation from different places such as Umhlanga, Pinetown, Chatsworth and this place.
Njengoba nje yedwa umsolo oboshiwe ama-Hawks agcizelele ukuthi azoqinisekisa mase kuphothulwe uphenyo ukuthi ngaba bekho yini abanye abasolwa abathintekayo.
Mbukeli okwamanje nje sathi qhu ey'tolo siyabuya nezinye indaba unganyakazi. Siphinde sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele mongabe usanda kungena asikukhumbuze ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba. Badedelwe ngebheyili abasolwa abangama-23 abayingxenye yababoshwe ngecala lokukhwabanisa imali engaphezu kwezigidi eziyi-100 zamarandi eMnyango Wezemfundo waseMpumalanga.
Bebebhekene namacala okukhwabanisa ukweba kanye nokushintshiselana ngemali ngendlela engekho emthethweni okuyisamba sezigidi eziyi-114 zamarandi okuyimali kwakufanele kulungiswe ngayo izikole. Umbuso awuzange uphikisane nesicelo sabo sebheyili kodwa ucele inkantolo ukuthi bagixabeze ngebheyili emba eqolo ngenxa yobucayi becala kanye nesisindo semali eyebiwe.
Those accused are facing direct imprisonment of 15 years. The ones that are facing charging for money laundering are facing direct imprisonment of 30 years or 100 million rand fine. Your Worship, that's the gravitas and the seriousness of the offences that the accused are facing before this court.
Umunye wabamangalelwa obesenxusa inkantolo ukuthi ibuke isimo somsolwa ngamunye ingabe isibabopha ngabhande esicelweni sebheyili.
There are personal circumstances, especially affidavits, specify their earnings from 10 to 15,000. With kids and minors, they involved in other living expenses. So a higher amount is to indirectly deny them bail.
After consideration of the different personal circumstances of the accused person before the court is of the view that the following bail is to the amount of 50,000 rand.
Ukuthi kuphinde kuboshwe abanye abasolwa ababili okukholakala ukuthi baseSwatini naseDubai ngokwehlukana. Icala lihlehliselwe mhla zingama-26 kuNdasa.
Namhlanje umnyango wezolimo KwaZulu-Natal wemukele imigomo yesifo samatele ebalelwa ey'nkulungwaneni ezingama-200 esuka kwelase-Argentina. Lokhu njengoba lesi sifundazwe kuyisona esikhahlamezeke kakhulu ngenxa lesifo.
Abalimi balahlekelwe imfuyo kanye nemali. Abalimi basezindaweni ezikhahlamezeke kakhulu esifundazweni ezakhele uMnambithi, iNewcastle, iBergville kanye noMgungundlovu kuthiwa basazolinda isikhashana ukuze bathole umgomo kaSet 3 okuthiwa isona sifo esikulezi ndawo. Isifundazwe siphoqeke ukuthi sishintshe indlela ebesizoyenza ngayo ukugoma.
We will be receiving after this on weekly basis the doses, but we have also put aside our own budget.
Kanti isifundazwe sithi sikulungele ukuthi sizithengele umgomo. Ochwepheshe kwezesayensi baluqaphenge lokhozi lolu hlelo.
Allerton is equal to the task of keeping vaccines. We have 2 major storage cold rooms that can keep up to the facility of about 850 to 1 million doses at any given point in time. We also have 2 smaller cold rooms that are going to keep the samples that we're going to use for surveillance. Remember that the vaccines, this particular one that we're going to be using now, we've never used it in South Africa, so we are compelled as scientists to do some field tests on the vaccine efficacy. So we are equal to the task of keeping the blood samples for that surveillance.
Kuthiwa ukuqeda lesifo kungadla imali engalinganiselwa ku500 million wamarandi esifundazweni esikhathini seminyaka emihlanu ezayo. Londi Khadebe, SABC News, eMgungundlovu.
Imayini yaseKimberley lapho izisebenzi ezinhlanu zivaleleke ngaphansi komhlaba isifaka isicelo sokuthi ivalwe kuthengiswe nayo yonke impahla yayo. Manje inyunyana yezisebenzi iNUMSA isizonikela enkantolo ngemizamo yokuqinisekisa ukuthi lezi zisebenzi ziyakhishwa.
Sekuphele isikhathi esingaphezulu kwesonto abesilisa abahlanu bevaleleke ngaphansi kwemayini eKapa Minerals. Inkulungwane yezisebenzi kule mayini sengcupheni yokuphelelwa ngumsebenzi njengoba imayini izovalwa. Inyunyana yezisebenzi iNUMSA ikhathazekile ngesimo esibhekene nemayini ngenxa ukuthi ukuvalwa kwayo kuzoshaya kwezwele kakhulu kuzisebenzi.
And we are still shocked as NUMSA that the 5 workers are still trapped. You will recall that it's 8 days now. This day marks 8 days that these workers are still trapped. And then what we saw, it's very devastating that we saw the rescue teams exiting the mine. What does that say to us? It says that those workers are now left alone, trapped there underground. But again, it confirms what we have been saying as NUMSA, that this is a crime scene where workers have been dying on the same shaft and nothing has been happening.
Abaphathi bemayini bathi isinqumo sokuvala kwayo sibhekisiswe kakhulu ngaphambi kokuthi kufinyelele kuso. Imayini ayisakwazi ukumelana nesimo sayo kwezemali kanti imizamo yokutakulwa kwezisebenzi ezivaleleke ngaphansi isaqhubeka.
Kanti ke mbukeli mangabe siqhubekela phambili. Njengamanje udaba ebesilibikile udaba ke lwemayini lapha eKimberley lapho ke ubekuvaleleke khona ke abasebenzi yasho ke mbukeli lapha yana imayini ukuthi ngathi imayini sizodayiswa ingakho ke nje ke inyunyana isithola isiyawunikela ezinkantolo ukuze kukwazi ke phela ukuthi kusizakale labo bantu. Njengamanje ke mbukeli ake siye nje ke siyobheka emva lapha yana udaba ukuthi luthini udaba lwenkantolo lapha ecaleni lika Senzo Meyiwa.
uGeorge Baloyi ukhulume ngokuxhumana ngoba khale ekhukhwini okusola ukuthi kwakuphakathi kukaNtanzi ummeli wakhe kanye namalungu omndeni wakhe emva kwezinyanga eboshiwe. Ubaloyi uphinde wathi ucwaningo luphinde luveze ukuthi wathenga i-airtime ngaphambi kokuthi umakhala ekhukhwini kaNtanzi aphuce wona estoksini.
In the feature *130 *3279 hash was used to top up airtime.
uNtanzi waboshwa ngoNhlangulana ka2020 uyaqhubeka ke nokuphika ukuthi wayenomakhala ekhukhwini estoksini. Ngesikhathi umbuso ohlanganisa inombolo yakhe ayibhalisa emabhange yabameli bathe bayaqala ukubona lemqulu.
And Tanzi has raised it earlier on that let me see those documents. They were a little bit uncomfortable with it. But now they've got documents that we don't have in our possession. Can the state please make copies of the document that they are having in their possession also available to us?
Evidence is led by the state.
Yes.
And if any one of you thinks Mr. Baloyi is misleading this court, lying, let's put it plain, lying or pretending to be an expert.
Yes.
You take the record, you go and consult an expert and you say this is what Rathamo Kgotleng says about this. You get an opinion and then you come and cross-examine
Let me respond on
So,
that, madam.
but you can't stop the
Yes,
state from leading evidence.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uBongani Ntanzi aqhubeke nokuhlonywa ngemibuzo
Nginibingelela babukeli emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlo ake sibheke sime kanjani ezoqaphela ke nje mbukeli akhona ke amathuba emvula nomoya angatheni kakhulukazi ngempela mawubheka nje khona ke esifundazweni iWestern Cape kuyana kanjalo nje esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal ngasho nje ukuthi ke nje izulu uthanda ukuthi nje limboze ngamafu kakhulukazi mawubheka nje khona ke esifundazweni Eastern Cape ngaphela siwalindeleke nje lamathuba emvula khona ke esifundazweni iLimpopo kanti ke kusasa singawalindela nje lamathuba emvula angatheni khona ke nje entshonalanga Kapa kuyana kanjalo empumalanga Kapa so iqaphela ke nale yankungu ke ekhasa phansi khona kwele kaMthani yase khona ke nje lamathuba emvula khona ke esifundazweni eMpumalanga kuyanjalo esifundazweni eLimpopo kanti ke amazinga okushisa aphansi kusihlo ikakhulukazi ngempela mawubheke nje khona ke Kapa lodumo ungawulindela nje u18 ngasho nje ukuthi likhahlelisa ingubo izulu ikakhulukazi ngempela mawubheke nje khona ke Appington limi nje ku18 ngasho nje ukuthi laphana ke eGoli Soweto kaNdonga zayaduma lithanda ukuthi nje liphole ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u14 kanti ke Musina liyashisa ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u22 kuyanjalo eThekwini singawulindela u22 kanti ke Gqeberha limi nje ku19 kanti ke kusasa eKapa lodumo ngasho nje ukuthi lipholile ngawo nje u23 kanti ke Appington ngasho nje ukuthi libaleleke nje izulu ngawo u33 kanti ke Goli sashisa ngawo nje u27 eMusina libalele ngawo nje u32 mobheke nje khona ke eMnambithi liyashisa ngo31 kuye njalo ke laphana koLundi eMelmot mobheke nje khona ke Richards Bay empangeni limi nje ku32 kanti ke eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi singawulindela nje u29 lishisa njalo ke nakhona ke eMbumbulu kuye njalo ke eMnambithi kanti ke mobheke nje khona ke eGqeberha singawulindela nje u25 kanti ke eGeorge limi nje ku21 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihla mina ke ngintombi kaMadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli sizibeka lapha ebese kuphathele zona namuhla ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.